Azza.
Greetings, Wagwan. 876.
Yes, 876MUZIK representing. You see me, welcome Azza, Lineage.
Give thanks for having me.
Yes, man, manners and respect, you know, and love like all the time, you know.
Yeah, man.
So Azza, I'm gonna ask you a few questions. Oh, you got that name, AZALINEAGE.
Well, me give myself the name there still.
Cooler man, cooler man, cooler man.
On the soul journey, you
Yes,
know.
yes,
in
yes,
journey
yes.
toward self, you know.
Right.
Me give myself the name there. If you go way forward, my mother and my father call me Anna.
Okay.
And to me that did sound like something.
Yeah.
But me I say me want something where more identify me with me and which part me then I'm thinking now. You
Okay,
know,
right,
so.
right.
So call it a download, an epiphany, what you call it? You know, it's like it,
Blend.
you know. So the word Azza came. So me say me I go take on the name because me like the vibration of the word Azza.
Okay, yeah.
You know, and then me go to the internet and me search. Me search myself what it mean first, of
Right,
course.
cooler man.
Then me go to the internet and I see that it is used across multiple cultures. You know,
Right.
in the Hebrew, it is I and I believe, you know, if Google is correct, in I and I as in the collective, and is in the Swahili language, it means powerful, you know, them way there. And of course, them thing they resonate with me because
Right.
I identify with, you know, being powerful as a person, you know. And of course, the collective as I and I, cause you and me and you, yeah.
Righteous.
You know.
Capital I.
Aye.
Azza, I meet you in couple of the platforms them where them have some stage show, live bands. For name a few, Dub School. The other day we did their Tuesday service.
Yeah.
10 and a half. As me say, for name a few, and your vibration is nice, you know. Your music is beautiful, powerful, you know. You talk about good things to inspire the youth them, and that resonate with me. I'm sure it resonate with whole heap of other people who, you know, love music. One of your first songs them that capture me and probably capture others as well was that sound system vibe. You want to tell me a little bit about creating that song?
Alright, before we go to the creation of sound system, you remember you mentioned 10 and a half
Yeah.
and you mentioned Dub School.
Cooler man.
So them there are places where, you know, from the start of AZALINEAGE, you know, we used to find, big up to the Lineage, we used to find all of the events and we had an open mic, you know, so 10 and a half First Avenue, so shout out to the whole family, you don't know.
Right.
And of course the event at the time was Dub School, you know, and it was an open mic event and we took full advantage of that. You know, and of course that was fun. Them time they we never had to made no music career or nothing. We just have fun, you know,
with the music itself, yes.
So so forward to the sound system song.
Right.
You know, we start, as me say, we start search for these places where we have reggae music and the culture go on.
Right,
So
and then
we
preserve
go
the
for
culture itself.
Dub Club.
Yeah.
It's a shout out to Gabriel and the whole team. We went by Dub Club, you know. And entering Dub Club, you know, you go down the 100 step them.
Oh yeah.
On the wall. What caught me first was the quote, the only good system is a sound system, you know.
Yes.
And you know, Gabriel's a man will play. He may play the song and then play the version.
True.
Which is the B side of the record.
Right.
You know?
Right. That's the
And he
instrumental.
might play, yes, just the instrument, just the rhythm or the instrument.
Yeah.
So he might play that and melody start coming up here.
Yeah.
Playing on the words, the only good system is a sound, you know.
Yes.
So the first thing that came to me was Rasta only surrender to the sound system. Positive vibration we bring. Get a chorus and of course a one verse and the next day I finish write the song, you know.
Cooler man.
So before me even go in a studio to record that song then I run it on sound system, you know.
Right. And the message in the song that very, very powerful. You know, very, very powerful. Yes man. I rate that and it resonates with me in a whole heap of different because growing up, my uncle them usually play sound, you see me?
Me grew up in a sound yard.
Yeah.
Grew up
Yes.
in a sound yard and thing, you know.
So, as I say, big up to the lineage. When we venture a little bit into that, the crew lineage, the family lineage.
I'm glad you said family because it's not a crew.
Yeah, it's a family.
It's a family.
When me there roll and me feel, welcome same way to you.
And of course, couple of the brother them is actually blood brother, same mother, same food, that, them vibes. And shout out to the Lineage family. Of course, Lineage family was before AZALINEAGE. That's why me take on the name Lineage.
Oh,
yeah,
okay. Lineage in a year, name.
So all of we grew up in the same community and thing. Them man they do music from me little and before me even think about them thing there. But growing up in the same community, they knew my talent.
Right.
Go work for a while in the entertainment industry in the hotel, as an entertainment coordinator. Come back in the place and as we say, we woke up in the streets. We woke up a vinyl Thursday.
Okay, yes.
And from them time there, that was it. We just start link every day. As we said, they knew of the talent and of course they encouraged and created a safe space where AZALINEAGE can create music. So shout out to the Lineage family, New Era Beatbox, Smiles, which is the founder, the first man will come and say, yo, we have to start that thing.
We'll do this.
Because film music start before writing music and singing it, he was actually a selector.
Right.
King Tafari sound, that a Sizzla Kalonji sound and thing. So him have the roots in the music from record days,
Yeah.
So as me say, shout out to Smiley, Kirky, big up yourself, Blackface, big up yourself, Kamal, big up yourself, Spider, big up yourself, Okra Slime, big up yourself, a whole heap,
The whole Lineage.
Frank Snooks, big up yourself, love you for Riva, my brother.
Yeah, brother.
Yeah, you hear me? Junior Lineage, big up on yourself. And of course, the Lineage we go forward, big up on yourself. Yeah. And Lineage is, just for add context, is we 100% full focus and centered on music. You know them way there?
Right, okay.
We in our environment and a community where you can choose anything because there's so many other options.
Right.
Some of them not too high in the vibrational part of things.
But it's necessary.
They do music. And we rate them for that. Them not pretend, them not cosplay, them not put on a show.
Right.
What you see is what you get. And music them I deal with straight. That in itself inspire me if we walk the walk. And as me said, them create a safe space in terms of security.
Cool man.
And of course a safe space for me to create.
Yeah, and on top of that, you as an empress, say yo, you hold Rastafari to the fullest and say yo, you talk the righteous, you walk the righteous, you sing the righteous, As you said, them create a safe space for you to express this. And I love it, you see me, I love your music, me not lie, so definitely, more other people come check out our music, you see me check out AZALINEAGE music, you see me? So some of the things them are other things that I want to even ask you about. How was it like working with the legendary or the veteran King Jammies?
King Jammies.
You see me?
Alright, so shout out to King Jammies, Lloyd James, OD.
Yo.
Big up yourself, real legendary. Has done the work.
Yeah.
He's still doing the work.
The work.
Zero the game 10,000 times and still a zero it,
We have to rate them every day,
Definitely.
Yes,
so how the link come about with me and King, it was Smiles.
Yeah.
Who made the link, as me say, him I play sound system from record days. So him have the knowledge of the producers and the different rhythms and things, And him say, him carry me to other producers and them go out. And everybody have an eye to see further than now.
Ears.
To hear further than now,
True. Yes.
But him say, a king if he carry it to and thing. So him go his ways and him got the number, him shout King. At the time when him call King say him a work on him catalog at the time.
Okay.
Which is understandable because them man the catalog rather than Broadway.
Yeah.
So however, them talk
and
him convince him. So King say, come in. And we went to link him. I will never forget, it was a Tuesday under the mango tree.
Yeah.
Right across from the studio. So, we reach a little bit before him and then him reach and thing. We introduce ourselves. And of course, him say, "Are you the artist?" Me say, "Yes, King." He say, "Sing a song." And naturally, me sing sound system.
Cool, man.
Him say, "Well, I love that." And we go into the studio and we do it the same day, you know.
Yes.
And from them time that we've been working together since.
Right. The musical link up there, the relationship there, it seems like it'll work, you know. Let's keep that going.
I mean, it's a genuine link up still,
Yes,
you
yes,
know.
yes.
It's just based on pure art
Yeah.
and family, you know, because he's also a family man. And
Right.
as a youngster, or we go amongst them one day and see how him and his family kind of harmonize. It's inspiring, you know, and see how family life and music tie into everything and it
Together.
just flow beautifully. You know, so.
Right. Because not everybody always have to be on the front line, but we are in it together, you know.
Yeah, man.
Right. So couple of the other songs them are one of the latest songs coming up to present.
Yes.
Chikawawa.
Yes, you catch the word. Me like that. I like that.
Yes. And you naming the song that as the topic catch me off guard a little bit too, you know.
That was intentional.
music.
That was intentional.
Yes, that song.
Mm-hmm.
You want to give me a little overview how that song came about?
All right.
Yeah.
So we are go studio where I work, because we're
Right,
working
right.
with King Jammies, you know. Me get a set of rhythms and thing, and this was one. And we are right. Listening to the rhythm. Of course, there's a formula. Remember, say, I play the instrument,
True,
so
but
I
you
have to go inside of that
Yeah.
to kind of become one with it,
Right.
you know. So
Like your song
listening to the
melody.
rhythm, and intentionally, me say, me want for the chorus was to be a one-word chorus, and
Okay.
it's a word where me make up, you know
Yeah.
them way there. So me say, all right, de, mum, humble, re, until a cheeky wow boy. And then me say, I hit that. I said, that was it, you know, I hit that. So me wanted something where is a word where transcend language then, you know,
because it
me
does.
more like a
That's
melody.
Why that's why I say it catch me off guard. It catch me off guard
that
because
was
me I say,
intentional.
is it the intro or the title of the song? So when I say the title of the song, I say, oh, yo, listen. Man, listen now. It does everything that's harmonized together, and as you say, it breaks the barrier.
Yeah, it break the language barrier. You know,
Language barrier.
Me say, yo, me want to come up a melody. Cause remember say reggae known for that, you know.
Yeah.
Barrington Lee say, shiddly waddly widdly oh, and the whole world say it.
True.
You know, so I something like that.
Cheeky
you
wow,
know,
boy.
cheeky wow boy.
Yeah, man. Love it. Yes, and you just go straight into it. Get a video done and stuff, and yeah.
I mean, it was a process, you know, to add context. We come up with Chicky Wawa Boy.
Right.
So in my mind, what that meant to me was like a love song, you know, unconditional love. So I proceeded to write about that, you know, butterflies and my tummy feel sweet like honey. First class love, never secondary. Pass ordinary, reach extraordinary.
Yes, but
so yeah, and of course, it was selected as one of the tunes them off for the album that we're working on with King. You know, it is completed, so you can look out for that. You know,
straight.
Chicky Wawa boy, and what that means to me is unconditional love between a man and a woman. You know,
righteous. So, is there anything where you would want to tell to your fellow fans? You know, you already tell them in the music to stay positive and, you know, to love each other conditionally. Yeah. Chicky Wawa boy.
It's unconditional. Yeah.
Straight.
But I say if you put up with nobody rubbish, you know.
Yeah.
But you see when you find that partner and you surrender, community with surrender, but harmonize.
Harmonize. That is the word. Yes.
Yeah, man.
Surrender
to yourself, of course, but to a partner, no. I will harmonize with you.
Right.
Yeah. So, yeah. Me, I tell them if you express yourself, you know, activate that throat chakra. express
yes,
yourself.
yes,
You know
yes.
them way there. Yeah, man.
And then if you look out for that that album, you haven't finalized the name as yet.
Well,
All right.
real rebel data. So
Yes.
we as I said, it's been years in the making,
Right.
but then sometimes good things take time. You know
Right,
what I mean?
right,
So
right.
we're not in a rush, no fuss, no nothing like that. We enjoy the process, you know. I'm still discovering
More of yourself.
about myself musically, you know them way there.
Mm-hmm.
So I say me enjoy the process. So we have a name,
Yes.
Rebel Data, a
Rebel
date.
Data.
We can't advertise that yet.
Yes.
And of course, Chicky Wawa Boy is a single off the compilation. Shout out to King Jammy. And of course, it will be distributed by VP Records. See?
So yeah, it was nice having you on 876 Music.
Give thanks.
You know, manners and respect as that.
Give thanks. And of course, in a true AZALINEAGE style.
Yes.
876 only surrender to the sound system.
Yeah.
Positive vibration we are bring and we now giving to no system. When I soak the place, we not go play no victim. Only surrender to the sound system. 876 music, rock and sing. Now giving. Line out, this is AZALINEAGE. Give thanks for having me.
Yes,
See?
manners and respect as that. Listen and love, you know?
Yeah, are we that?
By heart alone.
Yes, sir.
Never secondary, pass ordinary, reach extraordinary. You are the cake, I slid on the cherry. Wow.